Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in my today's video, we are going to play around. What did I say? We are going to play around. Now this time around, we are going to be discussing everyday mathematics. And this everyday mathematics has to do with word problem. I want you to relax. Let's see how we are going to thrash it. Watch. And this particular question is for everybody, both the management students, both the Joint Matriculation Examination Board, both West African Examination Council, both National Examination Council of Nigeria, and other relevant professional exams. This question is for you. Watch. Now the question says, a father is now 3 times as old as his son. 12 years ago, he was 6 times as old as his son. Now the question now is, how old are the son and the father? Are you with me now? Now I want you to watch. It is very, very simple. We call it everyday words, mathematics. Now let's trash it now. Look up. Let's start with the first question. A father is now 3 times as old as his son. Now the question is, do we know the age of the son? No. So what do we say? Son's age. Let it be what? X. Then the father's age now. Look up. Father's age is, a father is now 3 times as old as his son. So which means the father age is now 3 times as old as his son. Now what is the age of the son? X. I will now put here X. Are you with me? So at the end, I will now say 3 times X, which is 3 X. Hope you are following. Now let's continue. We stop here. Let's continue. We stop here. 12 years ago. Now let's talk about 12 years. Are you there? Ago. What happens? Anytime you hear the word years ago, please always introduce minus. Always introduce what? Minus. Oh yeah, let's go. 12 years ago, he was 6 times as old as his son. First of all, what happens to 12 years ago based on the son's age? So what do we say? The son's age will now be, watch, this X, are you with me now? Minus 12 years ago. While the father's age will now be, what's the father's age? 3x minus 12 years ago. That is the first thing. Then it has not finished yet. The next thing again, look at it. 12 years ago, he was 6 times as old as his son. Now let's continue. Now the father age was 6 times as old as his son, and that was 12 years. Then what is the father age when at 12 years ago? What is it? Watch. It is 3x minus 12. I will now put here 3x minus 12, then equal to, now this is 6 times as old as his son. Let's, in 12 years as well ago, what was the son's age? The son's age is X minus 12. I will now say 6 open brackets X minus 12. Now what do you think that would do? This is the analysis now. Let us now have 3x minus 12 is now equal to, open the bracket, 6 times x will give you 6x minus, now 6 times 12 will give us 72. Are you with me now? Now the next thing is collection of like terms. Now what do? I will now have 3x. Are you there? Take 6x to this way, it becomes minus 6 x. Then equal to minus 72. Now take minus 12 this way, it becomes plus 12. Finally, how do we resolve it now? 3x minus 6x will give us minus 3 x. Are you there? Then equal to minus 72 plus 12 will give us Minus 60. Are you with me now? Now this minus will cancel what? This minus. Our target is to make x subject of the word formula. I will divide by 3. I will go here and divide by what? 3. So that 3 will cancel what? 3. My x becomes equal to, can 3 go into 60? Yes. How many times? 20. Am I communicating? Now we now in conclusion says, therefore, the son's word age, are you there? Remember we said it is x. And we have gotten the x. What is the x? 20. Am I communicating? Now the next one is the father's what? Age. Remember that the father's age is 3 what? X. So which means if we substitute, we have 3 times, what is x? 20. So which is what? 60. Am I communicating now? Now the son's age now will now be 20, and the father's age will now be what? 60. And that is the final what? Answer. Now let us check whether we have something like that in the option. Wow. The correct answer in the option is option what? B. Do you enjoy the class? Now see you in my next video. Bye.